We at KMR doing KMR things.
Fixing the hoopty. Fixing the hoopty.
We broke it. We broke it. We broke it. Well, we didn't break it because we're very reliable.
Yeah.
This is a reliable rotary.
I think one of those 200 shots of nitrous that backfired may have done a little damage to that center rotor.
Y'all didn't hear that.
It was still running really good.
Y'all didn't hear that.
I didn't even know. Honestly, I just did a compression test for good measure. Was surprised in the bad kind of way. So we're gonna fix it. It's no big deal.
We are going to fix the renewable lubricants Mazda Trix Kyle Mohan Racing Mazda RX-8 / DLW Motorsports. I have to throw that in there, America. Don't tell him I said that. Time to pull the motor. Yeah! So it should only be 5 volts. And there is 4 here plus the one we took out.
Which one did I take out?
I don't know. Did you take 1, 2, 3, and then 4?
Yeah, it should be 4.
Yeah. And here's 4 right here. Okay.
Pull forward just slightly. Ah, that's good.
Up. 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 Nothing's binding on that side. We're clear on your side, right? Watch your, is that your power steering pump?
Wait, yeah, it's hard over into me. Pull it out just slightly. There you go. Go up again.
Up. Ooh, look at that, look at that, look at that. Hold on.
More up.
Hold on. Hold on.
What? That ain't gonna do it.
You better stop it some kind of way. So I don't want to get all over your car. We should be good, right?
I think so.
Okay, pull, and then we'll try to keep this one spilling all over the place. down.
High five?
Absolutely.
Good.
You will not defeat us.
Yeah. It was stuck in there pretty good.
Lack of lubricant?
It was pretty oily in there. Yeah, it's just a triple disc. I think it was just stuck. It was just stuck away. Woo! Okay,
How you feel about that?
good. Yeah. It's out. My baby.
I feel amazing about it.
Yep. Quick cleanup. Get ready for Long Beach.
Long Beach! If you are in the SoCal area. Formula Drift Long Beach. What's the dates?
I don't know.
We don't know.
I just drive the car.
We'll put it in the description if we post this. But yeah, Long Beach. Formula Drift. Rotaries is kicking ass this year.
Right. What I just said.